Hey there, Kayla at Keebio here. Today we're building our ortholinear low-profile keyboard, the Nyquist LM. When your keyboard arrives, it'll come in its own carrying case. If you grabbed keycaps, switches, cables, and our tenting stand kit from us too, those will also be in your package. The Nyquist LM can be built using either Chalk V1 switches or Chalk V2 switches. We are a grand total of 4 humans here, so be sure to check you've got everything you ordered. If anything is missing, just reach out and we'll make things right for you. Take a moment to verify the left from right half, just to prevent headaches. A small L for left, or R for right, is visible on the back. Give your Nyquist LM a quick plug-in to make sure it's working properly. Lights on? You're good to go. Let's move on to assembly. After pulling your keyboard halves out of the carrying case, all you need to do is pop in your switches. Be sure to line up the legs with the holes on the PCB. If the legs are not inserting flush, and your pin legs are straight, check that the foam support isn't poking out from under the switch plate. You can use anti-static tweezers or your nails to align them again. Make sure that you press on the side with the pin legs to achieve that beautiful flush look. Perfect inset. If you have a switch with a bent pin leg, it's an easy fix. Use either of your tools from before, a pair of anti-static tweezers or your fingers to adjust it. Did you know we're on Discord? Visit us there for keyboard shenanigans, troubleshooting, and upcoming news. Make sure your switches are flush. Your finger can be a good tool to detect this if the small parts are hard to see. Once you've populated your switches, take a moment and plug in your keyboard to test your keys on VIA. Left versus right established, cover your keyboard in keycaps. Is gaming your thing? Click that link in the description to join our gaming newsletter. Learn about games that are great for learning your new split keyboard or stuff that'll be fun to play as you and your keyboard build your memories together. We've previously covered games like BioShock, Dead Letter Department, and Untitled Goose Game, among others. With the magnetic tenting kit, you'll get a total of 4 magnetic rings. Take out 2 and apply them to the machined insets present on both halves of the keyboard. Now you'll be able to type even more ergonomically by providing your wrists a more neutral position. If you're interested in an email series that breaks ergonomic studies down, click the link in the description to sign up. It's 1 email a month with research from the field. Learn more about protecting your wrist health and ergonomic studies. Need to fully take apart your keyboard? Follow along here. Remember, we have a 2-year warranty, so if you've got a major headache, reach out to us so we can make things right for you. The Nyquist LM joins the Iris LM, our columnar stacker keyboard, the DMod LM, our numpad, and our Quefrency LM, our 65% traditional stagger board, so be sure to click their links in the description. Give us a like and subscribe to spread more keyboarding joy. Happy typing!